All right, so here I've got an X1 carbon, had it about a month, been working fine, and then I started getting this. You can hear that terrible screeching. Yeah, so the obvious would be to clean the shafts and re-oil them, which I did with some synthetic super lube. I've also cleaned the linear rods, didn't help. Looked underneath, removed one of the drive pulleys on the bottom side, wasn't the pulley. So sounds like it's a bearing or something in the frame. I'm a little hesitant to continue to use it, so I would really appreciate some help on this. Thank you very much.